Welcome to Nurling Meadows.
Come along, kids, let's jump on the train. Learning Arabic is fun for your brain. Choo 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 choo, here we go. That'll break letters we're going to know. Alif baa taa saa, Jeem, let's all sing. Listen to the happy sound they bring. Alif is for Asad, the lion so grand, roaring gently all over the land. Oh, Alif, Asad, Alif, Asad, Alif, Asad.
Hear him say, let's learn Arabic today.
Baa is for Battah, swimming so neat. Quack, quack, quack,
To the happy beat.
ba Battah, ba Battah, ba Battah, ba Battah, splashing around. Look at the little dot on the ground. Taa is for Taj, a beautiful crown. The shiniest gold in the whole wide town. Thawb, Taj, 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 Taj.
Tosh. Wear it with pride. Two little dots right side by side.
Saa is for Thawb, clothes clean and white. We wear them warm or we wear them bright. Saa, Thawb, Saa, Thawb.
Look at the top three dots that never stop. Jeem is for Jammal the Camel so wise, walking through the desert under sunny skies.
Jeem, Jammal, Dream, Jammal, Jeem, Jammal.
Taking a stride with a little dot tucked deep inside.
Choo 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 choo, the alphabet train. Next time
We will play again.
Wanna hear a secret? Stories grow better when you subscribe.